Complaint on telephone.
घर या ऑफिस के किसी यंत्र के खराब हो जाने पर हम अक्सर शिकायत करते हैं और ऐसी शिकायतें फ़ोन पर दर्ज होती हैं। आइए देखते हैं ऐसी एक शिकायत।
टेलीफोन पर शिकायत। राज के नए संगणक में कुछ खराबी है। वो कंपनी के सर्विस सेंटर में इस बारे में अपनी शिकायत दर्ज कर रहा है।
Good morning, Compaq.
Hello, is this Compaq Service Center?
Yes, it is. How may I help you?
Hi, this is Raj from Andheri. I had purchased a Compaq PC. Yesterday when I went to switch it on, it failed.
Oh, I'm so sorry for the inconvenience caused to you, sir. Will you please tell me the customer invoice number and name of the dealer?
Yeah, dealer is General Electronics and invoice number is 20525.
Okay. And is there any specific complaint, sir?
I told you, it's not working at all.
Okay, Mr. Raj, I have registered your complaint and your complaint ID number is 242. Okay? Yes. And our service engineer will visit you within next 24 hours. Is that okay? And Mr. Raj, could you give me your contact number, please?
Yes, you can contact me on my cell number 93240 21260. I hope the problem will be solved by tomorrow.
Certainly, sir. Now I have your contact number.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
टेलीफोन इंक्वायरी।
जानकारी हासिल करने के लिए हम कॉल सेंटर में कॉल करते हैं। तो आइए एक जानकारी हासिल करने के लिए एक फ़ोन कॉल करते हैं।
टेलीफोन पर पूछताछ। करण को एक विज्ञापन के बारे में जानकारी चाहिए, पर वो विज्ञापन उसे खो गया है। कंपनी से वो उस विज्ञापन की जानकारी ले रहा है।
Hello, is this the Epson call center?
Thank you for calling Epson Call Center. This is Meena. How may I help you?
There was an ad last week in the Mumbai Mirror about some combined offer for a DVD player and a projector. Unfortunately, I lost the ad. But can you give me some details about it?
Sure, sir. Could you just tell me the date of the advertisement?
No, I forgot. But it was in last week's paper. Maybe Saturday.
Okay. Please give me a moment, sir, while I check that information. I'm checking. Yes, I got it, sir. It was Sunday's Mumbai Mirror. What details do you want about it?
I want the details of the product and the demo at my home.
Okay, sir. Kindly note down the number and name of the department.
Yeah, please.
It is 244-5657 or you can dial 58 or 59.
Okay, whom shall I talk with?
You can talk with one of our customer service representative and they will guide you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Is there anything else I may help you with?
No, thanks. Bye.
Thank you very much for calling Epson Call Center, sir. You have a lovely day.